Hello to all my wonderful constituents out in Maryland's beautiful 8th Congressional District and all our friends from across the state and across the country. I'm here for my favorite time of the week, Local Heroes, where we get to recognize the people who've been getting us through the COVID-19 crisis and now this resurgent period with the Delta variation. So I am so thrilled to be with Tena Pennington, who is a nurse at Frederick Hospital. And she has been for 40 years a registered nurse. She's been with Frederick County for 15 years and now is in the ICU. Tena, thank you for your extraordinary work on our behalf and congratulations on being our local hero.
Thank you. I'm very honored.
Well, we want to salute you for what you've done, but I think what's foremost on people's minds now is what's happening. Are we experiencing a resurgence and a bump up again? And how much danger are we in?
The hospital does have 11 people inpatient right now. None of them are in our intensive care unit, which is very good. And our vaccination rate for Frederick County is at 65% right now.
So in other words, well, one of the things that's getting us through is that a lot of people were vaccinated. So if they do get one of these breakthrough infections, it's not killing them. It's not extremely serious. So this argues again for the fundamental importance of everybody going out and getting vaccinated, right?
Absolutely. I think anything we can do to protect ourselves and our loved ones is the most important thing we can do. And it also protects our hospital staff so that we can continue to take care of the patients that need to be in the hospital, but not be overwhelmed. And
are you also encouraging people to maintain the masking and maintain the social distancing? I mean, people should be still maintaining all these precautions.
Absolutely. I have a 3-year-old granddaughter who has asthma, and anything I can do to protect my 3-year-old granddaughter and still be able to see her is important to me, as well as an 88-year-old mother with chronic health conditions. I think we need to do everything we can to protect ourselves and protect our loved ones and our healthcare workers.
Well, that's a good reminder to everybody that we are not through it. We're going to get through it, but everybody's got to be careful. And that's just like a basic question of civic responsibility. So I thank you so much for that. I know that the nurses and the doctors and medical personnel have really been trying to communicate that message to people. And I appreciate your helping us underscore the importance of it right now. Is there anything else you would want to tell people about what we should be doing with respect to COVID or anything else in terms of advancing the public health?
I think the most important thing is just to remember that vaccinations for all illnesses are important. The flu vaccine, the COVID vaccine, and just taking care of ourselves, being healthy, and doing as much as we can for our own well-being and those that we love. That's the most important thing. Well,
it's a beautiful message. Tena, I know you live in Walkersville, right?
Yes.
You live in beautiful Walkersville. Lucky you. And has the community been supportive of you and the other healthcare personnel through the COVID period?
Absolutely. The entire 15 months that I've been in the ICU, my neighbors have been supportive. The nursing staff at the hospital really stepped up. We trained med-surg nurses who aren't used to being in the ICU how to be helper nurses. The teamwork that went on in our institution for the last 15 months has been amazing. Our ICU doctors were fantastic. Our respiratory therapist, the teamwork that went into all of this we couldn't have done it without the team. And then the community sending us meals and just being available. If we needed gowns made, we had volunteers in offices making gowns for us to get us through the crunch. So we had people donating masks, people donating cleaning supplies. So the community has been absolutely fantastic.
Well, it is all about the teamwork. The teamwork has gotten us through it. But Tena Pennington, you are a critical, a vital, and instrumental member of the team. Thank you for your 40 years of service as a registered nurse. Thank you for everything you're doing for our people in Frederick County. Thank you for lifting people's spirits and keeping people educated and engaged. And we wish you nothing but the best of health. And we thank you and we embrace you for everything you've done. You are our local hero in this week in August, and we salute you.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.